Hello, I'm Mr. McCorquodale-Bauer. This will be a quick video. Got, two other of your InformNet teachers, Ms. Smith and Ms. Klitcher, behind me, so I won't distract them too much. But as you can see, we are in one room, so that means, I don't know, we talk. But anyway, I'll get to that later. Welcome to Geographic Issues, as you can see on my screen right here. Geographic Issues. This is the home page. Eventually, there'll be announcements. That's where this video will be. La-di-da-da-da. Post important things there. But the most important thing in the course is content. So that's right there. I also have it right there. 2 places. So if you miss one, you'll find the other. Click on content. Whenever you click on it, I'm not in student mode right now, but you'll just see learning modules. You have a different view than me because you're a student. I'm a teacher. You'll click on learning modules, and it's super simple. You'll only see one thing at a time, but I won't get really into that too much because you'll actually learn about that. You'll start at the welcome page. It explains release conditions. That's seeing one thing at a time, so that then you can't skip ahead, so that then you can't write the final test without, doing anything. It's for your benefit. But anywho, read this, quiz right away, and then once you write the quiz, the next thing will become available. So anyway, make sure you do this. If you have any questions, you're going to email me. In order to email me, you're just going to go to class list. You're going to find my name. It's super long, Matthew McCorquodale-Bauer. You find the longest one, probably. If you have a longer name, let me know, and we can argue. Find the longest one, click on it. It'll open up the email, and you'll send that. You can't email me externally. We'll get into that in the email tab. Once again, most importantly, go to content. Go to introduction, work your way through. At one point, I'm going to tell you to email me. Why? Because I don't like it whenever I don't get emails, and I like to have a full, inbox. No, just kidding. It's I know you know. Anywho, anything else important? If I think of it, I'll post another video. Bye-bye for now.